Hello. We are in Devizes. Just had really nice breakfast. We're on the top of the hill in Devizes at the Bradford. What is it? The canal called?
Kennet and Avon Canal, right at the top of the hill.
Kennet and Avon Canal, right at the top of the hill. That way there is Pusey. That way there is Bradford-on-Avon. And we're Lock 50. It's a very known engineering feature here from Victorian times. It's a sequence of locks. It go up a hill, and we are lock 50. We're gonna cycle all the way down to lock 22, so nearly 28 to nearly 30 locks down. We're gonna stop there a little bit. If I can, I'll fly the drone there. If I cannot, then I won't. And after that, we are going to ride for as long as we can, or we want, possibly to Bradford-on-Avon, and then back. Yeah. The weather is not as good today. It's very muggy, but it's not as good today. It may actually rain, and if it starts raining, then we're just gonna stop and ride back wherever we are.
Great.
So,
it's sunny at the moment.
It's sunny at the moment. Very muggy, very hot. But yeah, can turn.
Let's go.
Okay. See you later. Bye.
While you enjoy this fabulous aerial footage, let me tell you a bit about what you're seeing. The Caen Hill Locks are a flight of 29 locks on the Kennet and Avon Canal near Devizes in Wiltshire. It's pronounced Caen, but spelt C-A-E-N. Altogether, the 29 locks rise 72 metres over 3.2 kilometres, which is about a 1 in 44 gradient, and this was a real challenge for the engineers who designed it. The locks come in 3 groups, and the group of 16 you see in these pictures form a steep flight in a straight line up the hillside and are designated as a scheduled ancient monument, although they are only a little over 200 years old. It's quite speedy on a bike, at least going down, but on average it takes 5 or 6 hours for a boat to get all the way up or down the hill. That's a lot of work for a person on the boat operating the locks. Because of the steepness of the terrain, the ponds between these locks are very short. As a result, 15 of them have unusual large sideways extended ponds that store the water needed to operate them. The final 6 locks take the canal into Devizes, which is where we started the ride earlier. The Kennet and Avon Canal itself is 140 kilometres long and runs between Bristol and Reading, and this section was the last part to be built. The flight of locks was designed by John Rennie, a Scottish civil engineer, and were his solution to getting the canal up this steep hill. Construction started in 1796 and was completed 14 years later in 1810. After the coming of the railways, however, the canal fell into disuse and was closed. During the 1960s and 70s, there was a major clearing and rebuilding operation, culminating in a visit by the Queen in 1990, who officially opened the revamped locks, although in fact by then they'd already been navigable for a number of years. Because such a large volume of water is needed for the locks to operate, a back pump was installed at the bottom of the hill in 1996 that's capable of returning 32 million litres of water per day to the top, which is equivalent to 1 lockful every 11 minutes. If you want to learn more about the locks and see pictures of the restoration work, we'll leave links in the description of the video to the website of the Canal and River Trust and to Wikipedia.
funky, man. Hey, I'ma drop it down like this. Don't stop, we got to rock. Even if the whole world wants to go pop. B-boys, B-girls, hold down the block. Got the beat on lock. Well, I'm a real bad brother from way out west. Old school, so fresh, don't need no stress. Put the hood in the ghetto tenement projects. For the children in the sweatshops working to death. You see, we all gotta struggle, worldwide big trouble. Babylon crumble, caught out on the bubble. Countries go to war to set a precedent. Tax money gets spent, now we can't repent. No skrill on the rail, streets too ill. Peddlers push pills for the working class drills. Residents rush, try to bust 7 seals. President Bush sit and make oil deals. And what I feel is the strangest thing. Sat back, meditated, then began to sing. Now, what I feel is a strange emotion. World going crazy, but I'm still West Coast. Don't stop, we got to rock. Even if the whole world wants to go pop. B-boys, B-girls, hold down the block. Got the beat on lock for the future shot. Don't stop, we got to rock. Even if the whole world wants to go pop. B-boys, B-girls, hold down the block. Got the beat on lock for the future shot. Don't stop. Well, this is not the Inquisition. Satellites track your position. They keep watching, we ain't stopping. Boogaloo breaking, flagrant popping. Walls we tag them, pants are sagging. My halo glow when the flow's attacking. Beats stay blapping, wires tapping. I guess they get scared when the rhymes cracking. We can get it on cause we stay adapting. World gon' change and we'll see who's laughing. Move like assassins, caught in the crosshair. Video games train the youngest for warfare. They don't care, they only want the dough. To control what you think and what you know. I tell you what it look like, here we go. I think like speed, but I speak it slow. Manifest, stay blessed, yes, yes. Vadim, Zion team, putting suckers to rest. I say manifest, stay blessed, yes, yes. Vadim and Zion team, putting suckers to rest. Come on. Don't stop, we got to rock. Even if the whole world wants to go pop. B-boys, B-girls, hold down the block. Got the beat on lock for the future shot. Don't stop, we got to rock. Even if the whole world wants to go pop. B-boys, B-girls, hold down the block. Got the beat on lock for the future shot. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop, don't stop. Don't stop, don't stop. Guess they get scared when the rhymes cracking. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. Yes, yes. This beat is funky, man. Hey. Yes, yes. I'ma drop it down.
Hello.
Don't stop.
We didn't plan this. We just cycled from Devizes. We did 20k, exactly 20k. We are in Bradford-on-Avon. Oh, I forgot to say that we cycled on the Canal path, the Kennet and Avon. Kennet and Avon
Canal.
Canal.
Slightly bumpy, very flat.
Very flat and really beautiful.
Yeah.
And it was exactly 20k to this point we are now.
And we're now sat between 2 churches. The one behind us is St Lawrence's, which is a Saxon church, a very ancient church.
Very
and the one in front of us, which you can't see,
Let me turn.
turn it around, is slightly older but still ancient. It's from the 12th century. It was founded in the 12th century.
Slightly younger, you mean?
Slightly younger.
Slightly younger.
Slightly
Yeah,
younger.
so the one in front of us, which you can't see right now, that's from the 12th century. And the one behind us, it's a very ancient one. It's a Saxon church, likely from the 10th century.
Could be. Haven't looked
Likely,
up.
yeah. But they're old. Like, needless to say, they're old,
Unlike us.
unlike us. Yeah.
Oh, and I was a bit disappointed on the canal towpath because apparently Callista Flockhart and Harrison Ford occasionally go canal boating there, but alas, I didn't see them. It's very disappointing.
Like we would meet Harrison Ford on a canal towpath.
You never know.
Yeah, yeah. 2020, you never know really, but I would
No.
expect you'd meet. It's more like you would meet the
Frankly,
well-
Darth Maul this year. It's just my luck.
yeah, or that when he did forgot now, Indiana Jones, that Rolling Stone
Yeah.
on the
Yeah, that would
on the cave. Yeah,
Yeah.
2020 would be more like that, I think. Anyway,
Ice
we're
cream
gonna
time.
stop. Yeah, we're gonna stop now. We're gonna go get a cold drink, some ice cream, and then ride 20k back to Devizes again.
And beat the thunderstorms, we hope.
And beat the thunderstorms, although it doesn't look like it is going to rain. It's cloudy, it's muddy, but it doesn't
see.
look like it's going to rain. But there's some rain predicted for later on, like 7, 8. So. And right now is 4. It's 10 past 4, and I just covered you with my finger there. Okay, I think we spoke too much. How long have we spoken? 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Shut up. Let's do
Jesus.
another take.
Yeah, let's
give ourselves 30 seconds.
No. They love us. Clearly they love us. They can't get enough of us, right? Yeah. Well, anyway, we're going back to Devizes now. Cold drinks, ice cream, then back. Bye. It takes me a long time to produce these videos, so if you like this one, leave it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell to be informed of new videos when they become available. Thank you very much for watching, stay safe and be happy. Bye bye.